Yes,
family-friendly spots. So
sure.
be careful. Let me show you what's going on with the radar here, because overnight had some storms blow through. Obviously, the strongest storm was actually the one in Williamson County. We had around 9 o'clock last night. But since then, we haven't had any severe thunderstorm warnings go up. This entire line, once it entered the KXAN viewing area, has stayed sub-severe. So we love to see that, because it means that a lot of this is just the good stuff, just moderate to heavy rain, which we need. There is a lightning threat out there, so be very mindful of that, but I haven't seen any sort of signature of hail out of this line, and it's going to continue to clear to the east. We'll get a little bit of a break after this before the next round comes in. That being said, because that storm parked itself over the Austin Metro late last night, we picked up over an inch of rain, so it cut that deficit for the month of April down to just 1/10 of an inch, and our deficit for the year now just above 2 inches. So beneficial rain, and that wasn't just Austin. We had beneficial rain in most of the area over the last 4 to 5 hours. Waterlogged camera there, indeed, main camera showing raindrops on the camera. We know that there's going to be wet streets, wet highways, so extra 5 minutes for the morning drive is what I recommend. 65 degrees with still some observed storms and showers at the Camp Mabry weather observation site. Today, we've got that 20% chance of storms lingering through the morning. But again, this round is moving out. We'll see a lull midday before more storms are possible late this afternoon and evening. Now, we're still going to get those 80s in here. It's still going to be very warm and humid. But when it comes to the timing, I like this high resolution computer model because it has a general idea of what's happening right now. Maybe a little too far west with the main line, but it clears that out. Here's lunchtime today, showing mainly to partly sunny skies. Isolated storms trying to get going late afternoon, but probably more likely getting into the evening hours. This is 8, 9 o'clock. You see spots on our future radar here. And then coming into the overnight hours, once again, with the dry line out west, we'll have to watch the hill country very closely. But it does look like, as of this morning with some of the new data, that tomorrow looks a little bit more active, and this computer supports that. So I've chipped down your rain chances today and upped them for tomorrow. It is a general risk of storms from the Storm Prediction Center, but because these storms overachieved last night, I would not be surprised if we see maybe the potential for some hail and wind of any well-developed storm today and tomorrow. Rain chances do start to come down Friday into the weekend. We'll keep in a 10% Saturday, drop rain chances Sunday, Monday before yet another unsettled weather pattern takes over next week. So the 7-day forecast showing isolated to scattered storms and showers, not only clearing the area this morning, but likely to return this evening. We got a few more rounds Thursday, Friday, isolated rain chances start the weekend, drier skies Sunday, Monday, before the rain chances come back Tuesday. With those rain chances disappearing, we'll briefly see those 90s return. Overnight lows will be very warm for the time of year in the 60s and 70s.